Clear terminal in Python. Does any standard comes with batteries method exist to clear the terminal screen from a Python script, or do I have to go curses, the libraries, not the words?
What about escape sequences?
A simple and cross-platform solution would be to use either the CLS command on Windows, or clear on Unix systems. Used with OS. System, this makes a nice one-liner.
Why hasn't anyone talked about just simply doing Ctrl+L in Windows or CMD+L in Mac? Surely the simplest way of clearing screen.
As for me, the most elegant variant.
If you want to see my, please consider subscribing.